How to merge Word documents. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing how can we combine multiple Word files into a single one. In order to do so, it is quite easy. So first of all, open your Microsoft Word in your laptop. Now, from the ribbon, go to the Insert tab, which is usually available on the second option. Once you tap on it, on the right side of the screen you will see Object. Click on the drop-down menu and click Text from File. This will now open your File Explorer. You have to now select two or more than such Word files that you want to combine. You can click Ctrl plus the file for both selection and then tap on Insert. In few seconds you will notice that both of the Word file has been merged into a single one. And likewise, you can now download and use the merged Word documents. So that is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.